Okay, we last left off, we saved. Now I'm going to add some pictures. All I do is click here. I click browse and I find them in my computer. I'm going to pick this picture of poison ivy because it's really cool. And you'll notice right here we've got our spinning arrows indicating that it's uploading. And depending on your internet connection, this could take not much time or a lot of time, and it also depends on the size of your image that you're trying to upload. Alright, our image has uploaded and we can see that here. I'm going to click done. Now, I'm not finished yet. It's not connected to my writing sample. I can have the option here of deleting it, or I can insert it. I'm going to click insert. And now it's here. Now, whenever anybody else looks at this after I've shared it, or when I choose to go back and review, you mouse over and the picture pops up. Very cool. I can even add a caption and say, Poison Ivy, and click save. There it is. Now, if I were a student and wanted to share my Collins Type 1 writing assignment with my teacher, I could come up here to share and click share and then type in the teacher's email address. And then you can choose to share as your name or anonymous. I would recommend that you have your students share as their name, and then you simply click share. And it tells you up here, entry shared, and you're done. Now, what happens if you are a student that does not have access to an email account? Oh, look at that. It tells you that you've even shared it, and with whom. So those students who say, I sent it to you, well, check. Did you or didn't you? Before I move on, right here, all entries. Click, and it shows you all of the entries that you've made, the size, whether you sent them or not, whether or not you attached an image, and you can even sort them by times. Pretty cool. Oh wow, you can even view your trash. Now, for those students who do not have access to an email account, here's what happens for them. Notice I've logged out. Now, I can still type. Okay. The only option that I do not have is the saving option. As you can see, to save you have to have an email address. And I do not have the share option. Share option was in between these two, as you recall. But I can print. So for students who do not have an email account, they can type on here and then simply print out their writing assignment and hand it in manually. Well, that's all for Penzu tutorial. My name's Amanda, and I hope this was informative. Thank you.